Hey guys, I'm doing a tutorial today on Photoshop, and I'll be teaching you how to do something similar to this, but not exactly. But it's still gonna be cool because we got some multiple lights on here, almost sort of like a bokeh background in here, and this cool abstract text effect. And I'm sorry for my voice. I'm sick this weekend, but whatever. So first thing we gotta do is create a new document in Photoshop, which is going to be 900 by 600 and with 300 pixels, and the background is going to be white with the color mode being RGB color, and that is very important for this to actually come out right. So we're going to click OK, and here we are. So then now what we're going to do is fill the background with black, and we're going to get the text tool, and I'm gonna type our text, and I'm gonna use the future medium bold italic font. Make sure your text color is in white. Set your text size to 220 pixels, and then type your text. And for my text, I'm gonna type absence. So let's center this a bit. Right, then go to window, character, and set your tracking to 20. You want to set this right here to 20, which is so it increases the space between the letters. And also make sure your font color is white, and set the font style to medium, and then we're ready to move on. And then from there we're gonna merge the text layer and the background layer while the text layer is selected, and control click the background layer too so you can select both. So and then you do command or control E, and you've merged both of them into one layer. And then with that, we're gonna go to filter, distort, I'm gonna go to wave, and then change the type to square, change the number of generators to 1, then hold on a moment. Then we're gonna change the max wavelength to 635. Gonna change the minimum wavelength to 257. The minimum amplitude to 62. Oops, that's wrong. 62. The maximum amplitude to 141. The scale for horizontal will be 24, and for vertical it's gonna be 22. And then we also do, and keep in mind that these parameters are what, hold on a moment. Alright, so now that we've got a pretty distorted text, you should also keep in mind that the result depends on the parameters that we did, and the size and the tracking of the text. So yeah, so now next we gotta go to filter, pixelate, and we're gonna do fragments. And now you're not seeing double, it's just fragmented, but don't worry about that. And then after that we go to filter. We're gonna add some filters to this to make it look really well. Stylize, and we're gonna go to glowing edges. As you can see, it's pretty cool, and it's kind of difficult to read my text, but I don't care. You can use any text you want. I was using accent, but I guess I should have said that earlier, but it doesn't matter. Then now we're gonna set our edge width to 1. We're gonna brightness will be at 6, and our smoothness will be at 1. And once that is done, just click OK. Sorry, paper be falling everywhere. Just click OK, and that's pretty much it. So now that we have done that, we're gonna copy this image into the new alpha channel. And for that to happen, we're gonna hit Command Control A to select everything, then Command Control C to copy, and then you go into the channels panel, which is right here, and you create a new channel by clicking this button down here, and then you hit and after you create a new channel, you hit Control D to paste. And once you've pasted, you control or command click the thumbnail of alpha 1 to get the white pixel selected, and as you can see we have a white pixel selected. And then you go back into your layers panel and you create a new layer, and we're gonna call this layer come on, okay, there we go. We're gonna call it text, and just press enter. And then you're gonna fill this selection with white, so you get your paint bucket tool, make sure your foreground color is set to white, and then you go inside one of the selections and then you just fill it. Whatever, I think I filled it, but I'm not sure. We'll see. And then you go let's see if it is. Yeah, for this one more time, let's just do it to make sure. And then sorry for my voice again. And then we go to the background layer and we're gonna fill it with black, so set your foreground color to black and just fill it with black. And then we're gonna click the text layer. Now we're gonna apply a layer style to the text layer. So double click the text layer and we're gonna apply a gradient overlay. Set your blend mode to normal, your opacity to 15%, and your gradient colors, so your end color here is gonna be a blue color. Let me find a nice blue. No. Oh, man. So I need something like a darkish blue, kinda not purple. God dang it, why can't I find you? Let's see. Dark blue. No. I'm sorry for this, but no, whatever. Let's just select a bluish